My heartiest congratulations to all of you for an incredible performance in Class 12 CBSE Board Examination. It is true that diligent efforts and hard work are always rewarded. It is with determination and dedication that academic excellence is achieved. The results speak highly of the efforts that are put up by you, dear Bhavanites, and your mentors. You have indeed made us proud and your family proud too. Now a new chapter is about to begin in your life. Always remember, do not look back at what you have not done, but look forward to what you are, and you will do it in the future. I am sure you will be making the finest of CAs, MBAs, engineers, doctors, and will shine brightly in the field of your choice. Always remember, Satyameva Jayate, the truth always wins. Be truthful to yourself. Listen to the voice of God and you will never go wrong. You are now at such a crossroads where you need to take your decisions independently. Remember, future is an extension of today. If life is good today, tomorrow will definitely take care of itself. You must be righteous in your actions, dignified in your ways, and let your words bring happiness to others and your actions bring hope. Believe in yourself and you can do what you want to. I hope whatever you carry from the school will become a way in your life. So I, on behalf of the entire BBIS Parivar, wish all of you good luck and good wishes. May your aspirations be inspirations to the others. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I would just like to take this moment. I would like to congratulate each and every student over here. You've given us a wonderful result. We are immensely proud of you. But at the same time, I would just say you're entering into a big, wild world. Maybe the protectiveness may be over. We at school are always there with you, so we are ready to support you wherever you need us. With just a phone call away, feel free to talk to us. We are ready every time with our guidance and support. We would love to see you successful, and I hope you carry out whatever values you have learned from us to the outside world and be the shining light. Congratulations once more to all of you.
90% in class 12, it's really not a very easy thing, and you did. But ma'am has said that remember ki it's just a beginning and many opportunities are waiting for you, and I am sure that in future you will also you do something better, and just God bless you all. Really, you did very well.
Guys, I wrote in my status as well, many of you have read the same thing, and I kept saying the same thing in the class as well. Marks are actually not at all important, but yes, our system demands so, and you all have proven the system that yes, you can achieve that. That is the best reward for every teacher, that a student can pay back, give back in the form of such marks. You actually made us successful through your success. We are really proud to have you, and now with a very heavy heart, every year we say goodbye to all of you. Yes, as ma'am said, Satyamev Jayate, and we all need to work on the same. Our school motto as well, goodness before greatness. And you all need to be really, really good. And you really need to be very strong. And obviously, the product of Balbhaman should never ever let us down anywhere. All the best, and you all are really blessed. We all are blessed to have you. Thank you. Congratulations.
Heartily congratulations to all of you. You all have achieved an excellent result, really amazing result it is, and may you all achieve and succeed in life and you reach to greater heights. This amazing result that raised our heads and with pride. So you all prove yourself as BBI's asset. Congratulations once again, beta. God bless you all. Thank you, beta.
Congratulations, my dear students, for the excellent exam result. We all are very, very proud of you. Keep the same courage and confidence to face the coming up challenges of life. May God bless you all with success and abundant happiness.
You have shown an excellent result and you have made your name in the school. Simultaneously, you have made ourselves. You have given us a good name and you have given us a best Guru Dakshina. That was I would say. And all the very, very, very best to all of you and hope you will do very good in your future and all the very, very best.
First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every student for their commendable effort and the great success, and also the endless appreciations for the parents. We are really proud of you. मैं सिर्फ एक ही मैसेज मैं बच्चों को देना चाहती हूँ कि जो भी आप अपनी लाइफ में जितना भी पढ़ो, जो भी करो, beyond the books, you have to feel your subject, you have to observe your subject, you have to experiment your subject from the environment. मतलब कि कुछ भी जो भी हम बुक्स में से पढ़ रहे हैं उसे प्रैक्टिकली हमें अपनी लाइफ में अपने सराउंडिंग्स में हमें ढूंढना है, और अगर हम ऐसा कर पाएंगे तो हम बुक्स से भी बियॉन्ड कहीं बहुत ऊपर हम लोग चले जाएंगे. मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि वी शुड एंजॉय आवर स्टडीज, वी शुड एंजॉय व्हाटएवर वी डू, एंड वी शुड broaden our horizon, and you should always proud to be a Bal Bhavanite.
I just want to tell you one small difference between a successful person and other. It's not about a lack of strength, not about lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. That means if your willpower is strong, you will achieve anything you want to. It's all about the mindset. It's all about willpower. Give your 100%, whether it's family, whether it's friend, education, or anything. So you'll succeed. May not be immediately, but definitely. All the best for your future. Stay positive. Stay happy.
First of all, congratulations on your outstanding achievements. And as Shubha ma'am said, that now you'll be stepping out of the protective covering of parents and of the school. It will be a challenging world, but never be afraid of any challenge. Always adopt a multi-dimensional approach towards the challenge. Always have your plan A. If it doesn't work, plan B, plan C. Seek out help from all of us. We are always there, just on a call or a WhatsApp message. So be courageous, do things that never have been done before. और जब भी आप खुद को किसी मुसीबत में पाएं तो जिगर मुरादाबादी की 2 लाइनें याद रखें कि जो तूफानों में पलते जा रहे हैं बस वही दुनिया बदलते जा रहे हैं. So always keep that in mind. All the best. Good luck. Thank you.
Teachers are very supportive and very motivating. They helped me throughout the year. There were several ups and downs throughout the year, but Gitanjali ma'am and Bandana ma'am, they both helped me to pass through that. Shubha ma'am, she was there to believe in me. Thank you ma'am. Thank you all. Thank you teachers for this. Thank you.
I'm really, really thankful to all my teachers, my school. What I achieved would not be possible without their constant support and their guidance. They were so amazing at their approach and accurate at their teachings that it kept me motivated all the time. They helped me a lot. I also faced many ups and downs throughout the year. I was not able to give some pre-boards as well. I was not able to come for 1 month. I was preparing for my entrance. But my teachers supported me a lot. They were always there for me. So I must say that what I achieved is just because of them.
I'm the part of Bal Bhavan since 7th class, and throughout the journey I really enjoyed it. Since 7th and till 12th, I still consider myself as a school student. Every morning I think I have to go to school with this lockdown. So I would like to say thank you to all the teachers. They constantly motivated me, especially Banya ma'am, because she trusted me in class 11 that I can do bio better. I just said that I don't want to do bio ma'am, but she helped me throughout. and I was able to score in it. So thank you, ma'am, and thank you to all the teachers that they helped me throughout. Thank you.
I mostly have a lot to speak, but today when I'm asked to speak for my teachers or mentors, I would say I just couldn't choose the right words to express my gratitude towards them, because it is actually a very undeniable fact that teachers play a very important, massive role in our lives, and they actually have. Seriously, nothing could have been possible without you. My journey in Bal Bhavan would have been just incomplete without the teachers that I had. I can and I never would be able to leave the school. Your teachers, your teachings would always be there with me. Your scoldings as well, because they've always helped me in some way or the other. Lastly, I really want to thank one and everyone for helping me out in every ups and downs, undoubtedly, and making me the person I am today. Thank you.
First and foremost, I would like to thank you for this wonderful opportunity to express my gratitude towards the school and the teachers. I have been a part of the school, or shall I say a part of the Bal Bhavan family for 8 years. And it was of great pleasure to be a part of such an institution and having such caring and helpful teachers. I feel indebted towards the teachers who have helped me throughout my school life on every stage. Now that school is over and I am ready to move on with my life and fulfill my dreams, I feel very emotional. The school and its teachers will always have a very special place in my heart, and I will always cherish every single memory that I have made in the school. Thank you.
I'm very, very happy to just see my result that day, and I'm happy today too. Thank you everyone. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि जैसे कि राजेश सर हमें सुबह सुबह बुलाते थे पढ़ाने के लिए मैथ्स, तब तो वो इतना गंदा लगता था कि क्यों बुला रहे हैं सर इतनी सुबह, लेकिन आज वो इतना अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ सर ने वो एफर्ट्स डाले हमें बुलाने के लिए और हम आते थे। बहुत ही अच्छा लगा जब रिजल्ट आया। रजनी मैम जो हमें 2 बजे तक रोकती थी, तब गंदा लगता था कि बस चले जाए, लेकिन आज अच्छा लगता है कि थैंक यू एवरीवन, आपने इतना कुछ किया हमारे लिए। थैंक यू।
Good evening all. The very reason that I am just part of this meeting is my very dear teachers. I truly thank for their support and encouraging through their positive talks, and I'll really miss them. Thank you for the great time and great memories. I especially miss Banya ma'am and Ankit sir. They really shown a great faith on me. Thank you so much for your support.
I'm very happy because of only my teachers I'm here today. I could not have scored because without their motivation and their support. So thanks to my teachers.
I would like to thank all my teachers for their constant guidance and valuable suggestions. It is all because of them that we have got so good result. Thank you.
A teacher is a star that helps us, the students, to shine a lot, and the teachers prove that very right, and all the teachers help all the students very nicely and very efficiently. I am a part of Bal Bhavan since only 2 years, but whenever I came running to the teachers, like this happened, all the teachers helped me throughout every time. Even right now, whenever I text any teacher, they are right there to help me throughout. So saying thank you is a very less thing to do, and the teachers always motivated me. There were very ups and downs in the school. I got many friends over here and many teachers who always helped me. Some friends are lost now, but the teachers will remain constant. I know that. And the teachers always help me, and saying thank you is a less word, but please acknowledge my thank you and help me throughout whenever I need you. Thank you so much.
I'm glad to have the mentors like them. Every teacher make their efforts for us. I'm grateful to have the teachers like Shubha ma'am, Gitanjali ma'am, Abhishek sir and Nushad sir. Vandana ma'am never gives up attitude, inspires me and motivates me. And she told me that I should never give up. Gitanjali ma'am's priceless efforts are amazing. Shubha ma'am always challenges me so that I can do better, and she made me score 90+. Abhishek sir and Ushad sir's positive words always motivates me and inspires me. Thanks to all the teachers who motivate me and inspire me, from the average student to the 90+ scholar. You made me what I am today. Thank you.
Ma'am, I will thank to all my teachers that the positive and encouraging attitude that make me the 90+ scorer. And Ma'am Bhavna ma'am ने मेरे लिए बहुत करा मैम. वो मुझे डांटती, राजेश सर डांटते कि तू पढ़ता क्यों नहीं है मैम. आज मुझे सब समझ आता है कि वो मुझे क्यों बोल रहे थे. आज मुझे बहुत खुश हो रही है कि मुझे 90+ उनकी वजह से मिले. आई एम थैंक यू ऑल माय टीचर्स. थैंक यू मैम.
मैं जब 9th स्टैंडर्ड में आई थी मुझे शायद ऐसा लगा भी नहीं था कि मैं टॉपर बन सकूंगी, बट टीचर्स के ब्रिलियंट एफर्ट से आज मैंने ये चीज़ एक्सेस की. थैंक्स टू एवरी टीचर एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
I would like my teachers, and I would like to congratulate everybody who is here because we have made it. And personally, I feel that my efforts were not enough to be a 90% scholar. So I would like to thank all the teachers, and especially because the efforts you put like the after our teaching that puts on me, so that I was able to score 90+ in 4 subjects, and from the bottom of my heart I am very thankful for that.
I'm really grateful to all my teachers. They always believed in me and always ignited the spark every time it was about to extinguish. So a very big thank you to all the teachers.